When you live for the moment, don't think twice. Keep moving on at the speed of light. When you live for the moment, you ain't got the time to worry about nothing but living life. When you live for the moment.
Hope 30 eyes straight, be a minimum of 38. Surviving off of Adderall, 2-minute energy drinks. Easy on the eyes, but go hard in the paint. I'ma sleep when I die, so for now I'ma penetrate. Bitches in my way, raw dog, yeah I'm living crazy. Haters SMH, I don't care, let them haters shake. Filet on my dinner plate, name good in interstate. Friends in low places, don't believe me, let me demonstrate. Paid off a pen and pay, swag you can't imitate. Bad decisions still turn my lemons into lemonade. But I don't give a piss or a shit anyway. Living for the moment, we could be dead any day.
Don't think twice. Keep moving on at the speed of light. When you live for the moment, you ain't got the time to worry about nothing but living life. When you live for the moment.
I came over on the wrong side of town. Rednecks ride around, look for something to fight about. Catch you at the light, get out. Everybody fights it out. Same fights have me down. Don't know how to cow out. Not about think about doing so now. Turn stomp ground to a battleground. This cow town. Never seen nothing like big stack. I like my numbers exact. Women from the back yak with a coat back stack. That's Mr. Mac Dog. You don't want them problems. Best to back off. Best jack off before you fuck with me. Mac Mill EST 73
moment, don't think twice. Keep moving on at the speed of light. When you live for the moment, you ain't got the time to worry about nothing but living life. When you live for the moment.
I said I'm gone with the wind yet again. Damn, that went fast. Cranking bottles back, probably gave myself whiplash. Showing up in underwear and pimp hats, slapping women on the ass, no time for chit chat. I make a lane feel inferior, living so superior. Pull up all luxuries, weight on my interior. Honestly, I probably can't afford it, but I'm high class white trash, might as well enjoy it. Yeah, I'm living for the moment, expecting your discretion. Yeah, I know you don't condone it, or giving your opinion when I don't really want it. And I'ma scream it, I'ma live it, I'ma show you how to.